it's marfu fa'il that word marfu bi dhamma taqdiri majroor bil kasra taqdiri but here mansub bil fatha what taqdiri or lafzi lafzi it's in word lafz mean word fine when it is in wording we say lafzi or maybe zahiri fine lafzi or zahiri again qadi marfu bi zamma taqdiri qadi majroor bil kasra taqdiri qadi not qadi this is qadiya the sign is in second case sign is written it's not hidden fine it's not correct to hide the sign this case it should be given the sign yeah so it's mansoob bil fatha which type of fatha hidden or written so we say lafzi or we can say zahiri mansoob bil fatha zahiri mansoob bil fatha lafzi now we say in order qadi marfu bi zamma taqdiri qadiya mansoob bil fatha zahiri or lafzi mansoob bil fatha lafzi qadi majroor bil kasra taqdiri so it's in two cases i'rab is hidden taqdiri in one case i'rab is written lafzi zahiri and i'rab is not in wording i'rab is not with letters i'rab is in form of signs in form of movements so those are harakat i'rab bil harakat not i'rab bil harf fine they have i'rab bil harakat not i'rab bil harf two cases i'rab hidden taqdiri one case i'rab written lafzi zahiri okay number 8 tamin nouns qadi nouns that end with ya having kasra before called manqus